Hello everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to load the dvdrental.tar sample database into PostgreSQL. This is a complement to the SQL class taught by Professor Tughluk Abdurazak. Before you do this tutorial, make sure that you have PostgreSQL actually installed onto your computer if you haven't already. If you need some guidance on how to do that, you can check out the first video I created. I'll include a link to that in the video description below. Okay, so how you do this is, first of all, we want to go to this website. As mentioned in class, it's PostgreSQLtutorial.com. Again, I'll include this link in the video description below. So you get here and you want to scroll down to download PostgreSQL sample database, which is right here. You click on that, and then you scroll down past all of this, and right here is the link to the sample database. So you click on that, and it will download. Okay, so it's all set. Now for me, all of my download files directly go into my download directory here, and there it is. So what you want to do is you want to extract this zip file. It'll download as a zip, so you want to open that up and extract it. And what I did is I created just a SQL folder on my desktop here just to keep things clean, and I've already got it in here, but you just click and drag there. If you don't have anything, you don't need to replace it, but okay. So there it is. It's in my SQL folder on my desktop. So the next thing you need to do is open up PostgreSQL so that you can load this. So go to your search and type in pgadmin, and there it is. So we click on that and it will open up the program for us. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this while we wait. So it's opening. Okay, this is going to take a second while it loads the program. Okay, so we're all set. Now, the first thing you want to do when you're loading a database, an existing database, is you need to set your preferences on the program. Now, you just have to do this once, but make sure you do it because otherwise the rest of the steps are not going to work. This is very important. So go to File up here and then go to Preferences, and then go down here to Paths, Binary Paths. So what you need to do is put your actual PostgreSQL binary path here. When you open this up, it might just be blank. So what you need to do is find where on your computer you installed PostgreSQL to and put that link there. So I'll just show you how to do it. As I mentioned in the previous video, all of my program files are always in the regular program directory, which is usually Windows C, Program Files, PostgreSQL. So what you need to do is go to the bin folder because this is asking for where all of these files are created or where these are stored. So go to 9.6 and bin. So here are all the files that it needs. So copy this path, Control-C, and paste that right into here. And then click OK. Okay, so now your preferences are set. And the last step is to actually load that database in here. So what you want to do is go to Servers, click on PostgreSQL, Databases, and see right now I only have that one database that was in there when I installed. So what you want to do is right-click on it, on Databases, click Create Database, and it's going to give you this dialog, and you want to name your database dvdrental, and then click Save. Now this is going to take a second to work. Okay, so here we go. That's our new database. And it's created, but there's actually nothing in there right now. It's a blank database. And you can see if you click on schemas, then public, and go down to tables, you'll see there's nothing in there. There's no tables. So what we need to do is actually import the DVD rental tar file in here. So to do that, go up to your DVD rental database here, right-click, and go down to Restore. So click on Restore, and it'll give you this dialog, and what you need to do is choose that file name from where you saved it onto your computer. So click this Browse button, and what you need to do is browse to the location. So if you remember, I saved mine on my desktop, so I'm just going to navigate to my desktop folder. Here you go, desktop, and there's that SQL folder I created before. So it says no files folders found, but all you have to do is go down here to Format, All Files, and there it is. There's my dvdrental.tar. So you click on that, you select it, and then click Select. And then it's right here, and you click Restore. Now this is going to, you might need to click it twice. Okay, so now it's going to load that database in there, and it'll give you a little message here. See, it's saying it's restoring. Then it says successfully complete. So we should be all set. So to check that, go back to your DVD rental database and click Refresh. It's working. Okay, so now if we go down to Schemas, Public, and go down to Tables, yep, they're there. Those are all of our tables. And you can just check that as shown in class. Go just click on one of them, right click on it, and then go to View Data, View First 100 Rows. And it should open up for us here. Okay, there it is. We are all set for the next class. Thank you very much.